Hey, if you want to learn how to start a profitable online business, even if you don't have any kind of existing following, stick around and watch today's video through until the very end, as I'm about to share with you the simple process to take in order to go ahead and start an online business without having any existing following. With that said, if this is your first video, my name is Misha Wilson, and over the course of the last few years, I've done nearly $20 million in total sales. And well, guess what? I started my business without having any kind of following, just like every single other successful online business entrepreneur has. And in today's video, I'm going to share with you the 3 keys to being able to start from scratch and get into profit as quickly as humanly possible. As always, if you get value, don't forget to let me know in the comments section below what your biggest takeaway is from this video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell icon notification button so that you're notified when I do more videos just like this. With that said, let's go ahead and dive right in.
Welcome to the Misha Wilson Show, where we show you how to create massive success online so you can enjoy the lifestyle of your wildest dreams.
All right, so what we're going to be talking about here today, again, is how to start an online business and get profitable as quickly as humanly possible, even if you don't have a following. And it's one of those funny topics because so many people, when they first get started in the online world, they look at the fact that they don't have a following as a reason for them not being able to go ahead and start a business, right? And I work with clients all the time, and it's one of the things that clients always tell me. They say, God, I can't start my own course. I can't create my own product. I can't do this, that, or the other thing because I don't have a following. And the logic in that is completely flawed because when you look at it, every single successful person who's grown a business from scratch, well, guess what? They started without a following too. And so there's never been someone who grows a massive following and then from there starts a business. And if there is a few of those people, right, maybe a famous YouTuber then started an information product business, I'm sure there's maybe 1 or 2 of them, but mostly it's exactly opposite. Right? We do not have a following. We start our business, we grow our business, and then as we grow our business, we amass a large following. But the key is to know the process and know the different items that you need to execute upon efficiently and effectively in order to go ahead and grow your audience and grow your business simultaneously so you end up with a very profitable business and with a very large following. So with that said, let's dive in and let's touch on the 3 keys. So the first thing that you need to focus on when you're brand new in order to go ahead and get your business off the ground without a following is focusing on getting your self-liquidating sales funnel dialed in. All right, your self-liquidating sales funnel does 2 things. So as the name goes ahead and kind of points out, the first thing that it does is it allows you to spend money on advertising while then self-liquidating your ad spend. All right, so it allows you to go out and spend $1,000 on advertising, generate leads, build your audience, generate customers, which is absolutely key while self-liquidating. So if you can spend $1,000 and make $1,000 back, that's a win. If you can spend $5,000 and make $5,000 back, that's even a bigger win. Now, what it does on the flip side, or not on the flip side, but along with that a lot of people kind of miss out on, is the second key, which is essentially it allows you to create customers. And this is actually the most valuable portion, the most valuable thing that your self-liquidating funnel can allow you to do. Once you create customers in your business, that's the point where you have leverage. Because if you have a good product, if you have a good service, if you have a good, thing that you're providing to the marketplace as value within your product, your information product, even an affiliate product, once you create customers, you then have leverage to create more profits in the future. All right, Dan Kennedy says a buyer is a buyer is a buyer is a buyer, and it's absolutely true. Once someone buys once, they're then 10 times more likely to buy again in the future. And so with your self-liquidating sales funnel, which is usually just a very simple landing page, then pointing to either an affiliate offer or your offer. If you can get to the point where you're break even or even just a little bit in the red, when you're brand new and you don't have a following, you don't have cash flow, you want to get as close to break even as humanly possible. But if you can get to the point where you're break even and generating customers, you are building your single most valuable asset. And your single most valuable asset is your list of buyers. All right, so that's step number one. Dial in your self-liquidating sales funnel. If you don't know what a sales funnel is, I will leave another video at the end of this video to show you exactly what a sales funnel is. From there, step two is to go ahead and create a back-end offer before you grow your business too large, before you spend too much on ad spend. All right, so create a back-end offer. The types of back-end offers that work best are done with you or done for you, right? So if you sell, let's say, an information product on how to get traffic on the front end, just as an example, if you have a back-end offer of $5,000 where you have done with you coaching and then done for you traffic sources, those are kind of the two types of back-end offers that work best. Create that offer before you get too far in the game and start selling that offer from day number one. So remember, once you're generating customers, those people are then 10 times more likely to buy over and over and over again once they purchase from you the first time and have a good experience, which is obviously key. If they purchase from you the first time, you don't fulfill, you don't have a good product, you don't have a good service, that person's never buying again. But let's assume you have a good product and a good service. That person's extremely likely to purchase again in the future. So what we want to do is, as we're spending money here self-liquidating, we also simultaneously want to be selling that $5,000 product here, or $10,000 product, or $2,000 product, whatever the price is that you land on. I can do another video when it comes to pricing. If you want, let me know in the comments section if you would like that. But you want to be selling this product, the back-end product, to the customers that you generate with your self-liquidating sales funnel. This will increase your profit margins. It'll give you the ability to reinvest more money back into advertising, so that if your self-liquidating funnel is allowing you to spend $1,000 and then make back $1,000, when you start selling these, you can go from spending $1,000 to making back $2,000 or $3,000. Then what you want to do is you want to reinvest all of those profits. So if you spend $1,000 to make back $2,000 after you sell your high ticket offer, you then want to reinvest back all of your profits into more advertising to grow your audience that much faster, to bring more people through your self-liquidating sales funnel, to once again create more customers. The more customers you have, the more leverage you have, which ultimately will lead to more back-end sales for you and your business, all right? And then from there, throughout that process, once again, you're generating customers, you're building a list, you're building that audience. You want to start creating content, which is step three, that then solves problems for your audience and provides value to the marketplace. All right, so as you're generating, let's say you get to a point where you're generating 10 customers a day, you're probably going to be generating 100 leads a day. Every single day, you should be sending those leads some sort of value, whether it's a video like this, whether it's a podcast episode, whether it's even just a written email, right? You want to be providing value to that audience, so that audience begins to build know, like, and trust with you, builds a relationship with you, and at the end of the day, really, once again, it becomes a following and not just someone else out there on the internet that might know of you. All right, really that is the process. Self-liquidate, create a back-end offer for more sales and more profits, reinvest all of your profits back into advertising when you're first getting started if you want to grow your audience really fast. Grow your audience with paid advertising, then build a relationship with your audience with, once again, your content, your videos, your podcast episodes, your emails, etc. And then what happens is, over the course of a period of time, when you've been creating videos for a year, when you've been creating podcast episodes for a year, when you've been doing the content creation portion of it for a full year, well, guess what? people start to see your content that aren't necessarily coming in through your funnel, and then your content is another source of lead and customer acquisition. And so over the course of a period of time, the more content you put out, the more people see your content, the more people respond to it, the more people come back through your sales funnel, driving your profit up even more, giving you more and more and more leverage with more customers to then reinvest more of your money back into more ads to continue to grow your business. And that literally is the simple 3-step process to grow a highly profitable online business, even if you have no following when first getting started. So with that said, I hope you got a ton of value out of this video. As always, if you did, don't forget to let me know in the comments section below what your biggest takeaway was from this video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that bell icon notification button so that you're notified when I do more videos just like this. Till next time, over and out.